Give her a round of applause. It was great. It was really great. And with that, I'd like to introduce Robert Herb.
Hey, what's up, everyone? How's it going? Doing good. Hey, give another round of applause before I start out. Yeah, it's just been amazing talent here tonight. You guys have been an awesome crowd. Shout out to UWSP for hosting, UW Style, my bad. UW Style for hosting such an amazing event. My name is Robert. My last name is Herb. I'm doing a spoken word piece for you guys tonight that I wrote. So I hope you guys enjoy. Yeah. So last night, I had another dream about you. I hate it. It's bad enough I go to sleep thinking about you. But that's probably why I dream about you. The worst part is, these dreams are sometimes so vivid, it's almost like I live it. My imagination is the only limit. And sometimes, I dream that you're not with them, but with me. And even though I know it's a dream and everything isn't what it seems, I just want to live in that moment. Just praying and hoping that your mind had other feelings that was never spoken, like you had to feel the same way that I did. So search deep within yourself and find it, because those moments you spend together, that connection, the energy, you can't deny it. Or am I just crazy, thinking we have something special, or really I'm just blinded? You're happy with him, or at least I think you are. This is just selfish Robert talking, emotional Robert squawking. Robert who holds on and don't want to get to walking. Oh no, wait. Let me take that back. This is how I feel, and I will not apologize for that. I would have done anything for you. What do you want me to do? You want me to rap for you or something? I'll rap for you. Your miss procrastination because you're wasting all my time. You must be in addiction because you're always on my mind. And your parents raised you right because you're always so kind. I'm loving the way you're here, just perfectly aligned. Like, there's no need to refine the rough edges. Your creative design with no sketches, every line, every curve. You so fine, that's the word. Ain't no lie to what you heard. You so fly like a bird, girl. You are beautiful. And there's no need for discussing. If I had to pick something more beautiful than you, duh, it'd be nothing. No? You don't like that? You want me to sing for you? Get my Cody Leon? I got my eyes on you. Everything that I see, I want your high love and emotion endlessly. No? Get out of my head then. Please get out of my head, because I'm trying to move on in life, but instead I'm stuck here thinking about you in bed. I'm trying to swim, singing without, I'm trying to swim, singing without you in the spirit, pure tears that I shed. Tossing and turning all night, thinking about what you said, thinking about how it's misled, thinking about everything. Second guessing myself, because maybe the situation I just misread, like most days I can't sleep. I just stay up until I'm exhausted and beat. I get to the point where my body just shuts down because it needs sleep. Like, that's just destructive. But I guess that's what love is, or whatever this is. I care so much for you, I'll take the defeat. This isn't the mountain I wanted to climb, but I know it's steep. I'm trying to swim on, but this ocean of emotions deep, and it's left me time messing and fatigue. Well, it's getting late. I should get some sleep. I'll see you in a little bit, in my dreams. Peace.